Going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpios. So for the next, let's take 72 hours. Okay. So what's coming towards you? So what's coming towards Scorpio for the next 72 hours, Spirit? Give me one card for that. What's really coming towards Scorpio for the next 72 hours? For many of you, someone is not really investing in you, or someone is trying to friend zone you. They are not really putting in effort, or not really making any sort of effort or any sort of action towards you moving forward in order to fix the relationship or connection. Okay, this person might also have tendencies to friend zone you, or they have taken a step back altogether. Okay, so you are going through a bit of stagnation right now. Okay, so let's take one card for your soulmate, one card for Scorpio soulmate. What are they up to? One card for Scorpio soulmate. What are they up to? With Page of Pentacles, it is not like they are not interested. They do want to talk to you, okay? But with Five of Cups, they may be upset over something that happened in the past, or something that you made them go through. Okay, could be either. But with Page of Pentacles, they are very much interested, but they are holding back. Okay, so how are they possibly going to come forward now? So how are they possibly going to come forward now for Scorpios? How are they possibly going to come forward now for Scorpios? I see them holding back communication a lot. Okay. Right now with Three of Swords in the reverse for many of you, I feel like your person, even if they have gone through a breakup with you, or even if they were holding back a lot, I believe that in some which way they will try to come back and possibly fix the connection. Okay, but like they are coming off as someone who is very disinterested. Okay, that's something that's showing clearly here. So I do not know how you're going to take it, but I feel like they are coming off as someone who's very much disinterested in you. Okay, so yeah, let's start the tarot now. All that my dear Scorpios can possibly expect in their soulmate relationships moving forward. So one card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate, Spirit? What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate moving forward? Right now with Ten of Wands, you guys are finally letting go of the burdens, the hardships, the problems that you guys face in the relationship. You guys are not wanting to hold on to all those problems, all those issues, all those dramas that were involved possibly. It is like you guys are almost giving up. That's the energy. I mean, you guys are not wanting to hold on to the drama anymore, but in some which way you guys are both stalking each other, heavily stalking. This is not quitting for sure, but you guys are like very much letting go of the drama, the chaos, the problems, So yeah, in terms of how is your soulmate coming forward towards you now? One card for like how is your soulmate possibly wanting to come forward towards you now, Scorpio? What's the energy going to be like towards Scorpio, Spirit? Right now we see the Temperance card, okay? But this person does want balance with you, but right now they are ghosting you. Like they are not giving you any sort of attention. They are holding back time and again, but I do see them wanting to fix this with you. Okay, so whatever they are doing, just relax. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you now. Scorpio, soulmates intentions towards Scorpio, Spirit. Their main intentions towards you is to get you a little stressed out. This is all intentional. Okay, the reason why they are holding back is because they are wanting to get you all in this panicking mode, like you're losing them, so that you take fast action. But this is all planned, darling. With Nine of Swords and Hanged Man, they are just wanting to get a reaction from you. They are wanting and doing this all intentionally. Okay, so one card for their current feelings for you. One card for their current feelings for you. King of Pentacles, they are not ready to let go of you, but they are coming off as very self-absorbed and someone who doesn't really care much about you, but they are not like willing to give up on you. They are still wanting to hold on to you with King of Pentacles, and they still want commitment. Trust me on that. Okay, but they are pretending the complete opposite. Okay, and I feel with King of Pentacles right now, they may come off as someone who's very selfish and self-absorbed, and someone who's only bothered about his or her life. Okay, so one card for how do they truly feel for you when they think of you, when they miss you. One card for how do they truly feel for you. Right now with Nine of Pentacles, this person might have the tendency to being a little emotionally detached from you. Okay, they feel like they are addicted and obsessed about you, and they are trying their level best to get a little emotionally independent from you. Okay, that's their main goal. Okay, Spirit, give me one card for why is the Nine of Pentacles over here? Why is the Nine of Pentacles here in terms of Scorpio person's energy? Yeah, they are not really wanting to give you that attention anymore. Okay, they are holding back a lot. Okay, so what can you expect from them in the long run, Spirit? Like, what can Scorpios possibly expect from their soulmate in the long run? Right now, they'll hold back a lot. Okay, in the long run, I do see them eventually returning back to you with Four of Swords in the reverse. But right now, I see them holding back a lot, not really wanting to give you any sort of attention because they are fearful of getting too addicted and obsessed with you when you are not completely in that energy. Because they feel like they are more addicted and obsessed about you than you are about them. Okay. With Queen of Cups, they still love you. No kidding. Okay. So one card for like where this connection is possibly moving forward now, where this connection is possibly moving forward between Scorpio and their soulmate. Where is this connection possibly moving forward between Scorpio and their soulmate? With Ace of Swords, you guys will communicate, but nothing will move forward. Things will be very stagnant between the two of you, but you guys will communicate. There will be communication. This person might also reveal some truth, something that they haven't been talking to you about, okay? Something that they should be talking and they will be talking now. But don't expect a lot of emotions from this person for the next 72 hours, okay? They'll try to more like friend zone you in some which way, okay? So one card for what do they truly want from you now? What do they truly want from you? One card for what do they truly want from you now? With Seven of Cups, they want to let you know that they have other options besides you. Okay, and possibly they want you to focus on them more. I feel like you have showed them, or you have behaved like you were not that into them. Okay, and they are basically getting back to you. Okay, getting back at you by proving to you that they have other options besides you, like they are disinterested in you now. Okay, and they do want you to basically focus on them or give them the main priority, as to say. Okay, so how are they wanting you to act on it? One card for how are they wanting you to act on it? How are they truly wanting you to act on it? They want you to make a decision, darling. With Two of Swords, you have been ignoring from or staying away from making a decision or wanting to take action towards them. You have been trying to stay away from all that, and they basically want you to give in now. They feel I'm not saying you've been doing this. That with Three of Pentacles in the reverse, you have almost behaved very disinterested. Okay, or they felt like you were behaving very disinterested in them. Okay, and with Magician, they basically want you to basically manifest them and to chase them and to invest into the relationship. I know that this is very cheesy, but that's what it is. Okay, cheesy and cheeky. So let's take secret messages from your partner now. Secret messages from Scorpio, soulmate to Scorpio, that they are not wanting to say out loud. Secret heart to heart message from Scorpio, soulmate to Scorpio. Now start. For some of you, they are wanting to prove to you that they don't have time for this. Okay. I'm afraid of rejection. That's the main card that's highlighted here. I'm afraid of rejection, and I'm truly sorry for my words and action. Okay, they are very afraid of rejection. They feel like you will reject them. Okay, that's something crazy, right? Yeah, so this is your reading. If this has like any way resonated with you, Scorpios, please support the channel with your likes, your subscribes, your comments. Every like, every subscription means a lot to me. So please, support the channel. And I'm grateful for all your likes, your support so far. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. I love you guys. Cheers.